The crackers on fire?
I don't think so. Oh, it's the smoke's coming through on the right side
out,
though.
yeah.
Smoke's coming through on the right.
A couple minutes, buddy. Come on, you gotta come watch this.
We're making the Christmas
look
wishes
at all the
come
smoke.
true.
That is good stuff.
Wow, that's good. How'd I do?
Oh, that sucks.
Here, I'll hold yours. Come here.
We have one glove, so we're okay. Whoops. Get your hat on here.
Here, I'll hold yours, buddy.
Here. Wait, no. Put this down over. There you go.
I'll hold them.
Okay.
Here, stand right here and watch.
Oh, I'm on the wrong side.
I got them. I got them. Here, here's your hand right here. Keep them on. I got them.
You're going to burn this down before it explodes.
That's our plan.
That's a good plan.
We're gonna need more napkins.
That's all I got. Are they both going at the same time?
That'll heat up the, Ooh, it smells like graham cracker.
Yeah.
Cooking graham cracker over here.
Well, those houses have it in
It's
there.
pretty cool.
Oh, we get flames coming out of both sides. It's great.
Is it on fire?
I think it really is.
Oh yeah, because we're melting.
Oh! Your icing is not fireproof.
No!
That's odd.
Could be catches on fire.
Yeah,
That was the collateral from the other explosion.
Oh no! So now
No!
last. It's gotta last.
Is it good?
Huh? Mine. Ooh, I like them.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, Kiefer, this is gonna be awesome.
Can you see the bottle?
I can see it. It's not doing anything.
I covered in them, Daddy.
Yet. Yep, I got him.
It's not gonna fire.
I know.
The right
I
side
got
isn't on fire, is it?
No.
No, not yet. Yeah, actually, yes, it is.
Yep, smoke's coming through our garage.
Uh-oh.
The hot tub is hot.
Well, this is new.
Well, if the bottle melts,
Papa.
Is it melting?
I just said if it does. I don't. It doesn't explode.
How good is that burning? I didn't think it would burn that good.
Papi.
I didn't think so either, actually.
Me neither. I thought
Smoke
it
is
was
really coming through.
Beep. Beep. Beep.
They're giving directions from inside the house.
Yeah,
That is a great fire.
That is a really good fire.
They're stuck in the hot tub.
They don't.
They're stuck in the...
Anything on the bottle?
I thought I heard a quick second, but it didn't move, so. Oh, there. I heard a crink.
Okay, buddy, here we go. Ready?
Yep, it's gonna go.
Come on, inside it.
Oh, and flames are gonna go everywhere. Then the neighbor's fence is gonna burn down.
No, I'm not supposed to go inside.
It's okay, it's over, it's over.
I have to go inside.
I have to go inside.
Keeper.
I have to go inside. Excellent. That's fantastic.